especially this radio. Yeah! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Frank KG5HJ, and today we're going to be looking at all the stuff I ordered over the, holiday sales and some of the Black Friday stuff because, I haven't opened it yet. So we're going to go ahead and do that because, I got a lot. All right, I'm going to have to break out my phone for this. I have so many packages, they won't even fit up on that camera. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 we're going to open up. And we're going to get out our letter opener or samurai sword. Yeah, I love it. I love it. So we're just going to start with the soft package first. Maybe. I probably need a knife. The knife's downstairs. That's part of the packaging. No one saw that. How easy it was. No one saw that. What is going on here? All right, we got 2 things. Okay, that is it. Behind me, to be picked up probably never. The first thing I bought is the nifty mini manual for the Yaesu FTDX10. I've been wanting this manual for a while for the Yaesu FTDX10. I also been wanting to just check out these nifty manuals and see if they are worth it. This is my first one, and I'm curious if is this a good reference to throw in your pack and always have with you. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. This next one is the carrying case for the elk antenna. I do have the big PVC pipe. I put all the elements in there. The only drawback with that is the big, let's call it spine, where all the elements attached to don't fit in that PVC case. So I went ahead and finally bit the bullet, and I went ahead and bought a nice fabric case so I can go ahead and just attach this to my antenna pack on the side and have everything self-enclosed and how I like it. So this was a great buy. I'm looking forward to using it. I just want to say off the top here, all these items, all these items I purchased with my own money. It just happens to be at Gigaparts, and I just want to say while you go and shop at Gigaparts, please use Tank at checkout, and you get double the reward points over at Gigaparts. That means you earn points much faster, and you can use them on purchases and money towards a purchase. So use Tank at checkout at Gigaparts, and that does help support the channel. So let's get down to it. All right, next we're going to go ahead and do the small box. This one has been sitting on the side shelf for over about 2 years now, and I honestly forgot what's inside this. So we are going to find out together. We got pack and label. Read this first. No one does that in ham radio. Oh, it looks like a lightning arrestor. Sweet, a polyphase lightning arrest. This lightning arrestor is very, very excellent for protecting your antennas against any lightning that's in the area. It can help with direct strikes, but nothing really helps with direct strikes. But if it's a close strike and static line that builds up on the antenna, these lightning arrestors are perfect for it, and I can't wait to use them in the Ham Shack build coming up. Next box is the medium box. We gotta find, ooh. Yay! This is the medium box. I don't remember when I ordered this. It was for around the Christmas time. It could have been on Jason's Let's Make a Deal. Ah ha ha! Yes! I know what this is. Whee! This is the adapter kit from Gigaparts. Look at it! Look at all the adapters! Oh, this is awesome! So think this as a self-assembly barrel. So where you're going to take one end of your feed line, let's say it's a BNC, and then we connect it to the common barrel here, and we just screw that in. Then, and we need to connect it to a PL250 on the radio end. We'll take that and then just screw it into the other end, and we just made our adapter. Look at it! It is an adapter. We just custom made that adapter, and you can mix and match all these adapters together because the common point in the middle is the same. This is a great adapter kit that you can just this is amazing. You can make your own adapters, and you don't have to worry about what is that to that end. Do I have that combination? You can go and make it on the fly. And just be careful, unlike other adapters that we loan out to people, get these back. Oh, this is definitely going in the POTA kit. This is definitely probably going to be a favorite item. But I'm looking forward to using this. in my POTA kits. Yes. Oh, awesome, awesome. Finally, the big kahuna. We're zoomed out all the way on this. I know what this is. I bought this on a Black Friday sale back in November. Lord, I don't know when this video is coming out. This is going to be a banked video so that I can have a video in the can just in case I need it. But Lord knows when you're seeing this, but this was purchased in November of 2025. I bet the unboxing of this video would come out before this video. Just saying. Just saying. Oh, I can't wait. Yay! And a cable. This is my new FTM 310D RASP edition. Oh man, I can't wait to start playing with this. Hold on, before we start. Yeah! I can't wait to get this radio into my car. This is going to replace the current radio I have. It's been Texas fried, being in my trunk for about 4 to 5 years, and the transmission is not quite working right. So this is the new replacement for it. I can't wait to get it set up. I also went ahead and purchased the Yaesu cable for it. I know it's a little bit of a, I don't want to say scam, but they say there's extra shielding in this cable versus a normal Cat 6 cable. It's really crucial you have that when you have the radio at a far away, when you detach the head and like you run it in the car from the trunk all the way to the front, to not pick up interference. And they do highly recommend this cable. They recommend it because it's from Yaesu, but I really do think that is true. If someone has a cable like this, we can cut into it. I'm not going to do it because this one's I'm going to install just to see if that is true. I wonder if someone has done a breakdown to see, is it just hype or is it just a normal Cat 6? So what do you think of my spending habits over the holiday season? Did I do good? Do I do well? Or did I just waste some money? Everything I'm going to be looking at coming up on the channel. I can't wait to get it out there. And especially this radio. Yeah! Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all have been amazing and awesome. And thank you for watching the channel. Thank you to the supporters of the channel. If you want to support me, Tank Radio, go ahead and hit the channel membership in YouTube or follow the link over to my Patreon account. Just watching is also a thank you enough also. Y'all are amazing and awesome, and as always, go forth and conquer.